All right, all right, all righty, right. It is Thursday. Good morning. Um, and let's just get right to it, man. Yesterday we had the minutes, and I didn't really trade that. Got kind of busy. Didn't even see how the market reacted. Oh, no, that's not true. Wow, I'm cloudy. Yeah, I was out there trading. Um, it just like all came screaming back to me. Um, yeah, I was watching the run up and then the pull back. So yeah, we got that gap close. Um, but today we got jobless claims to watch and Fed manufacturing, which will be interesting. Existing home sales is important. That number's coming down. That's a big inflation number. And then we got some Fed speaking tonight. We got George and Kashkari. So yeah, we got Feds tomorrow. Baker Hughes. Tomorrow's going to be a light day. New home sales, next big indicator. All lagging for July, and that's next week. So let's just get right to it. Take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin again in this channel, and that's what it did throughout the early summer. We were locked in a channel, then popped out, and hit our targets. And I'm looking for that 29 number, that 29,000. Neutral right now in this channel. Watching this trend line right here, breaking this, we'll get a little bearish, and we'll probably take this trade with the first target of about 22.4, and then watch it for a break to the upside. I would like to see something. This is a 240 chart, so this is obviously long moves, but I would like to see a setup, maybe be able to play through this channel, but we'll talk about that as it develops. And then get right to oil. So it's sitting on this support line, really respecting this support line. Let's get it to the 240s. It's actually showing me 60s. There you go. So that's the old support line. That's a little resistance right there. But it's just flirting with that support on the daily. So that's what we're watching. I'm just neutral on oil. Bullish above that support line, bearish below the support line. I don't see any setups over there. So, nothing that moves me. So I'm just going to watch it. This could be looking like a flag, on the daily. So if we break this low today, or no, actually, this is today's bar. So we'll watch that for tomorrow. See, maybe we're setting up a flag and we're going to test and try to break that support again tomorrow. And gold is the same. I mean, I'm just neutral on it. It's just not showing me anything that excites me. Gave us a new low. There's just no setups. It's just floating. So sometimes it's like that, or it was. But I think that the gold culture might have changed a little bit. So I haven't really seen anything worth trading in that since I've been watching it again. And then we get ourselves to bonds, and we're just watching this micro trend on the daily and just looking for a break of that. So we'll just keep an eye on that. We're neutral to bearish. Looks like a head and shoulders right here. Actually, it's a little more obvious on the 240s. No, I guess that was the dailies. So you could watch this trend right here. Yeah, I wouldn't really argue a head and shoulders on this, but this might reverse micro trend is what you can keep an eye on. So we'll just be neutral until we hit that. And then we jump on over to the ES. And here's a fairly decent head and shoulders that developed on the 240s. And I'm sure this would translate over to the S&P 500. These are the futures. And I'm sure if we looked at the S&P, which maybe we'll do that in a second, we could find that head and shoulders pattern. But so we're watching this. If we take a break on that, I'm thinking, yeah, about 189 is probably the target if we break this line over here. I think 189 would be a good target. And we're about due. I mean, if we look at the weeklies, I mean, on the 240s, we could see the trend line has stopped, right? We stopped making that uptrend. We made a lower high right here, even a lower high, we can call that right there. But the trend has stopped, and we want to see a retrace on the weeklies to establish an uptrend. So we did move up, but this could just be a bear rally. We need to make a trend of it. So in order for us to do that, we're going to need a higher low. And the 189, I don't know if that's going to be enough to do it. I mean, I'm thinking like 4,000 would give us a nice retrace. Let's see what the 50% move is here. So 39.85 really would give us a good 50% retrace, and that would be nice. That would be healthy. But the 40.66, yeah, a 38% retrace. I mean, that would do the trick. That would be enough for me to say, okay, we're in an uptrend. So all right, so that's it, man. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Any comments or donations are greatly appreciated. Everybody, calm, cool, and at peace when you trade. And good luck with your trades.